it is earlier than the beginning of time. So, you know, a bit before 7. Why am I looking so debonair? Because I am now a businessman for the day, and I'm going to Canary Wharf to do some billion-dollar bloody business. What's that funny smell? Oh, it's me. I've just done some hard business. If you're not the guy doing the shit, you're the guy getting shit on. Wet business. Air business. Business. I've just remembered that I don't have a job, so I can't do any business, so I'm just going to do some colouring in instead. Well, I finished my colouring in, and I did a very good job, and now I'm going to visit the museum of the Docklands to see what it was like before the rich people moved in. Did you know that in 1936 the new dock was built to take in all the fruit and veg from the Canary Islands, and that is why it is called Canary Wharf? I just read that off a sign. Hello, sailor.
Got any gin and juice, please, Governor?
Indeed, the port played a vital role.
This is what it's like to live inside another man's penis.
And port workers were responsible for the development of many secret.
I've very much enjoyed my trip to the museum. That's the end of my business for today. Why don't you go and mind your own? Alright, see you next time. Bye. If you enjoyed this video and are very generous and would like to help me make more of them, you can donate on my website, mareklarwood.com. If you donate £5 or more and live in the UK, I'll send you one of these limited edition badges. Thank you very much. Goodbye.